In this video, I'll show you how to link ManyChat with ConvertKit. Alright, so first and foremost, what I want us to do is just to start on ConvertKit. So what we're going to do is go to the top right, click on your profile or your name, then click on Settings. From there, if you scroll down, you'll see Developer. And now, if I remember correctly, we need to copy our API secret. So I would advise you just click on Copy on the API secret. And then if we jump over to ManyChat, we're going to click on the settings icon on the left-hand side. And then we're going to go down to extensions and click on integrations. And then if you scroll all the way down, you should see connect Kit account. And we're just going to paste that API key into the section here. And then just click on connect Kit. Now I'm not using the pro version, so unfortunately I can't continue the connection. But that is how you'll connect the two programs. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.